Good morning. We're on our way to the lake. To the beach. And I brought... Stop laughing, Saki. The beach with the camera. So I brought my little action camera. I don't know where it is now. So hold on. We're gonna switch up to the action camera. Alright, we're back. This camera that I'm using right now is waterproof. Ooh, and it has a microphone, so we can take it out on the lake with us.
That's awesome. Look, Amy.
She's seen this one.
I've seen it. It looks like where you could do that.
It's scuba.
Yeah. No. Is that what it's called?
We're working so hard. Got my chair blow up. Thanks to this nice guy back here. Please don't hate me. Do you have sunscreen? I went to pack mine and I realized it was empty. I was like, why have I been holding on to this? Either that or it evaporated from last year.
Yeah, chicken.
See the red lights blinking?
For her, and they took a picture.
Oh yeah.
Now it's recording video.
Oh.
While I was.
And then if you want to turn that off, push it.
Eat.
Wait. Can I go in the water real quick? Okay.
Alright. Here I am. I brought this out on the water. That probably was a bad idea. And I'm just floating out to nowhere. I don't know where I'm going.
Tell him not to squirt me. What are you doing? Stop it. You keep pushing me. Ah! Ah! Hi, Baba. Go underwater. Ready, set, go. Oh, you're right there. Ah! Baba, are you just gonna sit there?
Okay, so they're doing airport announcements. So I never ended the vlog when I went to Lake Tahoe because as I was like up there, we were all chilling. We all just gone swimming. I got a text that my mom had gotten in a car accident. So we just got in hurry up mode and packed because it's like an hour drive back into town, and then just for them to take me to get my car, then I had to get my car and then drive it to the hospital. So yeah, I just wasn't gonna vlog any of that, but my mom's okay. She's cool. She's just got some like burns on her arm from when the airbag deployed, and I think they're gonna total the car because it's pretty messed up. So but right now, I don't know if you can tell, I am in an airport. I am on my way to LAX. I'm gonna go see my friend Amanda. So yeah, so it's gonna be kind of a choppy vlog, I guess, but yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm really early, so I'm gonna be sitting here for like an hour. I'm gonna read my book and, I don't know, maybe mess on my phone. Thank you, bye-bye.
It's over there.
Okay.
All right.